Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today we've got our 3-inch hot side intercooler pipe upgrade for the 2020 to current L5P Duramax. It's a very common, simple to install upgrade we have here for you today. Offered for all model year Duramaxes, the intercooler pipes are one of the first things people upgrade. With our 2020 to current L5P model here, we'll start with our high quality silicone boot at the turbo outlet. The turbo outlet is the hottest temperature of your intercooler system, and that first boot is your #1 failure point on any truck, whether it's stock, performance tuned, upgraded, anything. We've seen the OEM boots and we've seen a lot of other aftermarket boots fail at the turbo outlet, mainly due to temperature and expansion from pressure. So what we've done when we designed our boot is we use a high temperature liner with a higher temperature rating than most all other boots on the market, and most importantly we have a wire reinforcement in the center of the boot. This keeps the boot in size and unable to expand. When the boots expand is when they tear and blow open, leaving you stuck on the side of a road with your camper on a hill pulling a mountain. The worst time that it can happen. So our driver side intercooler boot is much better upgrade over the factory component. From there, that boot is connected to our 3-inch mandrel bent 14 gauge heavy duty aluminum intercooler pipe. Our pipe is a 1-piece design, unlike the OEM unit, which is 2-piece. A little bit larger than the OEM. The factory is about 2.5. We're at 3. So a larger diameter and a nice free-flowing setup down to your intercooler connection. At the intercooler connection, we've got our standard 3-inch silicone boot, all with stainless steel clamps. As mentioned earlier, this is a simple bolt-on upgrade, no tuning required, no trouble codes to worry about, emissions intact, compatibility. So very simple upgrade. We do offer our hot and cold side intercooler pipes together in one package, which can save you a little bit of money versus buying the pipes separately. Like all of our product, comes with a high quality, durable powder coat finish, 35 standard colors to pick from on the website, and with an upcharge custom color option, you got thousands of colors to pick from. So that concludes our hot side intercooler pipe upgrade for the L5P Duramax. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Thanks a lot for watching, and stay tuned for more product videos.